Landscape photography is all about capturing the beauty of nature. Whether you're a beginner or experienced landscape photographer, there are certain techniques which you can use to create stunning landscape photos. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks for composing beautiful landscape photos. So, are you ready? Let's get started. The rule of thirds is a composition technique which can be used to create more dynamic and interesting photos. Imagine that your frame is divided into thirds, both horizontally and vertically, creating 9 equal sections. Position your subject or the horizon in your image along one of these lines or at where these lines intersect to create a visually appealing composition. Leading lines are another technique which can be used to guide the viewer's eye through your photo. Look for natural lines in your landscape, such as rivers, roads, or fences, and use them to draw the viewer's eye towards your subject or the horizon. Framing is a technique where you can use a foreground object to create a frame around your subject. This can add depth and dimension to your image as well as drawing attention to your subject. Look for natural frames in your environment, such as trees, rocks, and archways. With these tips and techniques, you can create some stunning landscape photos which capture the beauty of nature. Remember to experiment with different compositions and camera settings to find what works for you and to find your style. If you want to learn more about composition, make sure you check out my Principles of Composition online course. In this course, I go into much more detail on the 3 composition rules that we have just talked about, as well as giving you 3 new rules that you can use to compose your images. The link is in the description if you want more information on that course. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.